Hey guys, I'm Dylan from Star Wars Prop Shop, and today we're going to be doing a review of the A280C from Battlefront 1. So guys, I just want to let you know it's getting dark outside right now, basically, so if you just see us cutting to inside or something all of a sudden, that's why. So let's take a closer look at the blaster. Just to let you guys know, you probably already know this, but we made this, we didn't buy it, so in a sense it's a video that we made before the channel was made, so we didn't have the building process recorded. So we have the front tip, obviously, and this is the first blaster we ever made, so it's kind of worn down and beat up. Then the long part, this is actually a hot glue stick. Oh, that's coming off actually. And then this is a box, and this, as you can see when we get to the end, we have this, and then we have a rounded part with just another PVC in here. This is 1/2-inch PVC. And the scope is also 1/2-inch. Then we have this back cooling cell part, and just lots of random greeblies, and then a handle, obviously, and just a little piece of cardboard as the tree area. And then we have 1/2-inch back here to just a flat plate as the stock. So you can just go around the pew 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 pew. What I was going to say is that from here all the way to here, this is all one piece of PVC. So it's just to make it more stable. It's all one piece of PVC throughout the whole thing, with lots of pieces of cardboard throughout the inside to make it more stable. So as you can also see, if I go like this, you can see straight through the scope. So here's an angle from the back. It's flat, obviously. And one thing to note, if you're building this, is that the cooling cell thing is to the side, specifically to the right side if you're looking on from the gun. And that's a good detail to make. When me and Jake were building this, we weren't sure at first where side to put it on, but we had to look at certain images and gameplay and stuff from Battlefront 1. Yeah, I guess here's a front angle. I mean, I kind of just did that. I don't know which side I actually just show you guys. So then we can move on to this curved bit right here. Literally, all we did was from here, and then this whole front part, yes, we did make, so we cut all of this, and then up to here, and then, yeah, we went like this, all the way around back to here, and we didn't include the handle. I'm pretty sure. We might have, I'm not sure. And then we went all the way around, just made that curved bit. We made 2 of them, and then as you can see up here on the scope, there's this piece right here, right here, and all along here, that we just folded it from this side together around the PVC scope we made. Then just greeblies. And then this rounded part, we just got a long strip of cardboard, folded it a lot, and then rolled it around, and then just cut it at a length that seemed good. And then we just have lines along here, and we painted it black and used a silver Sharpie to add more detailing, as you can see, like here and here. And then up front here, we just had a piece that we wrapped around and made multiple layers. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment what you'd like us to build next. This is also part of a series where we will show you all the guns we've made, like the DL-18 and the EU-4. And I'm Dylan from Star Wars Prop Shop, and until next time, happy building.